Come here, chat. Come here, chat. Come here. So, Akeem broke his silence. So, make we hear what Akeem have to say. Me not even in a long chatting. Make we listen what Akeem has say. See? This is part one. Let's go. Rosea Lima talking, guys.
That's what I said to her. I say, you, I'm just kiss me teeth. I said, just love me alone, yeah, man. I'm done. Me never say about nothing, bro. Me never say about nothing. So all of who me see forward in a box and I said this and I said that, bro. Remember, you know, dog, when tickers come over here and constantly I do things and I say this, even when them I say she cuss the people, you know. Me call her up, you know. I mean her corner, you know. Hold on there, me address something before me go any further. Listen to me. One and know me friend. One and know my financial status and he's not here for dictate about my financial status. Tickers can tell you, yes, when my car buy, I'm at my show when my screenshot my car. By the way, when I go look for my car for buy it. The 5th of May. Yes, what I say? I did go buy my car for my birthday. See then? At the car mark this my day when I go look on the car, the 5th of May. Yes, what I say? I did go buy the car for my birthday. You remember when I go on the first date? You know I thought me not get subscription money up to today day. She can tell you. The subscription money no come out all now.
You know see a money thing, man.
Tell me say me use buy the car, you know nothing about me. Remember say
Bad mind.
1 week later, after the date me buy my car, and a Ticker's page me around for not my page. A Ticker's page have all of the money then. I may never take no money out of it till September 1st. I'm a car by the 20th of August. So all of you don't know, bro, is a successful business, but me have money long time, bro. I mean, I need to come over here come dictate my financial status too, bro.
Real free, man.
Me can really get things done, bro. Me just not talk shit, bro. Ask anybody when know me from a long time me I drive car, bro. You see it? So I just shut up when I tell me, say, bro, I feel like, say, my mental state, they are car. Bro, when me I tell Tickers to stop, come over here and cuss, all right then, you defend your friend. You have to even the argument with triple. I understand, say, you defend your friend. I'm respect triple, I'm respect everybody, but me I say to her, say, people, now for look on this.
Easy. Bigger than yourself.
You see, big deals start link with, overseas people start link with, and then
Tell you, man.
overseas people start link with, foreign people start link with. It's bad publicity when you're there over here and walk and across everybody. I mean, that I'm try to explain that to her. I say a whole heap of people we look out for, bro. Some people don't reach where them for reach based up half of the fact how them behave online, brother. Yes, what me I say? I know I saw you staying on my baby. I not try to change it, but I just try to alter it a little bit. Yes, what me I say? So we can actually go places. I don't feel like say me dream with me and her build up this. So my dream is to buy one little fucking car.
A real free, man.
What thing I got bigger than this, bro?
If you dream big, that.
What thing I got far bigger than this, bro? That is where my mind there, bro. And Mr. Tickers make me and you do this together. You deal me, yes, but we do this together, not you alone, baby. We do this together. You see it? Because if I know for me, it don't go nowhere. If I know for you, it don't go nowhere. We do this together.
That is it.
You see it? I want you to remember that. I thank God for the strength where you give me. You see,
Real
but you have to
man.
understand, say we do this together, baby girl. I know you alone. Me never make you spend yet. Uno say me use, me never make you spend it, people. I go show you, yo.